my dearest Marissa. Holy cow, the day is finally here. I can't believe I finally get to marry the girl of my dreams. From the second I first laid eyes on you, I felt this incredible feeling that I've never felt before. There's something about you that felt so right. I love everything about you, and that feeling has only gotten stronger second by second, day by day. How lucky is this? Writing this down is so hard because words can't really explain how happy and excited I am for today and what the future holds for us. Thank you so much for always being by my side through thick and thin. You are the most beautiful, charismatic, funny, down-to-earth, altruistic, gorgeous, fun-loving, friendly, amazing, shining angel. I feel so happy knowing you're mine for the rest of our lives. You're my number one baby. I love you forever and always, to the moon and back. Oh gosh.
A lot of times I think back on those days when, remember you always carried Baby Bear everywhere you went? You know, everywhere you went. But I want to tell you as your dad, from that day when you used to carry that little bear around with you all the time, to the woman you've become, not only as a person but as a professional, that I'm really proud of you. And that Mom and I love you very much. Because when you come home at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you wear, where you live, how much money you have. What matters is that when you walk through that door, you know that person is going to offer you that safety, security, and peace. That's the most valuable gift. It is with extreme joy, okay? And as God is our witness, family and friends, and by the authority given me in the state of Florida, not yet, that I pronounce you man and wife.
Come here.
Hey. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me extreme joy to announce for the first time and introduce Mr. and Mrs. Stephen Schwartz.
So Marissa and Stephen, there are no words to describe how happy we truly are for the both of you. Stephen, you are her Prince Charming, her knight in shining armor, and all of those fairy tale things that a girl wishes for.
The biggest thing that I realized that day after spending the day at her birthday is that my little bro had turned out to be such a respectful, caring, and just awesome guy.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down, rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it.
Everything that he cares about, he puts more than 100% towards. I think he'll strive for excellence with love and marriage. And Marissa, I think you're in very good and capable hands.
And we are grateful that you care for her so much as we do. And we thank you for making our best friend so happy. And we wish you both many years of happiness and love.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. I'm gonna die.